Yo, Sarafet, welcome to my channel. I'm Samy Beatz, and today I wanna create something chill, cool, and vibey at the same time. Maybe some Afro swing type vibe. So let's have some fun. Since we are creating something chill, let's go with a slow tempo. Let's go with 93, and my first plugin is going to be the Aditi key. Let's create the corporation, and then after we can switch. Okay, let's go like. Okay, maybe we can make it much more interesting by adding this two like right there, and then we have this here and comment L, and now we copy the low notes so we can have the like that. Alt, or we play with the velocity, and then Alt X so we can bring them down a little bit. Or maybe we do dum 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 dum. Okay, I think I prefer this chord progression. Sound much more interesting. Like, nice. Now let's change the preset. I wanna go with something much more smoother, and let's go to this one. There's this preset called Memories. That's crazy. But I wanna combine this one with a sky key preset. Go to key, and then let's go with this one. Comment C, comment V, like. That sounds so nice already. I think now it's time to add some guitar. Let's go with the Apple guitar semi-hollow. Maybe we will. That's it, and then that sounds nice. Now we have now we are going to make it sound crazier. Use the guitar rig 6 or 7, and there's a preset called water, and then we have it like that. That sounds good, but we can definitely make it sound even crazier. At the vanilla vintage verb and some reverb. And now I'm gonna use the kickstar. That's fire. Now we clone this, remember, and then we are going to use the mute one. Now we're going to try to freestyle something, and if it's good, we keep it. Let's go to 1/4 step. Okay, nice. Okay, now I think if we add some effect on it, it's going to sound good. First thing, let's just call this one guitar muted. Okay, now we are going to add some effect on it. The first thing is going to be this same preset, this one right there, but I'm not gonna put it at 100%. The mix is gonna be like half. And the next thing is to add maybe a compressor. Let's use the Lala. Okay. Okay, I think now we can maybe add some reverb, some delay, or maybe add this right here because I want to hear some frequencies in that range. Okay, nice. I love it. I have more definition. And now we add a reverb. Let's use the Valhalla Vintage Verb again. That's fire. And now we add some delay, floaty delay to it. That's fire. And now we duplicate it and then we make sure that the second one sounds different. Nice. Oh, we can do something on this one. Like. That's better. Now we are going to add another instrument. Let's use Omnisphere, and the preset is going to be the Gossamer keyboard. I know exactly what I'm gonna do for this one. The other one was just vibe, but this one I know what I want. And record this right there. Like, let me. And like. Okay. Okay. Comment B. I want this to sound a unique way. I wanna remove this one right there. Because I don't want this. I don't want this block. I want only this. But I remove all the relays. And now I see that Arcade has a Afro pop line. Let's see if we can find something in it. Let's go try to find vocals. And I use this already. Nah. We're on the key of C minor. Not this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Like, let's start it right there. And then record that. Okay, maybe we add it to the same track as this guitar, like. And then now we have. That's fire. Okay, now I wanna add some crazy drums. All drum sample I'm gonna use to create the drum pattern or from the Afrobeat mini stash. I just dropped this drum kit. Check it out, guys. The link is in the description box. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, now we add some conga. Tum, tum. Let's use this one. Okay, a kick. I think I want to use a kick from the Afrobeat Essential Body Volume 2 because I want a kick that sound really loud, sound deep. So this one. Okay, that's our kick. Now we are okay. We are no, not this drum kit. Chim chim chikata, chim chim. That sounds nice, and I think now I feel that the beat miss the bass line. Let's create one real quick. Go with serum, and then remember, guys, this one is a free pack. It's a free serum pack from Echo Soundwork. You can just go and then download it. I wanna add my sub bass lower, and I wanna add this like two octave down, and like we're going to only copy those low notes right there, and then we pass it to in our serum like. Let's keep it simple like that, and after we can play with it. Now I wanna add some hi-hat. Let's use this and then this. So I can go. Nice. Okay, we keep this one going, and then we pam pam. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. And we duplicate it, Command B, and then right there we do like that big. I mean, Ooh, that's fire. That sound very fire. I think I wanna do some change on the bass. That's going to be lower. Mm. And those two we can transpose them 1 octave higher. But I wanna play with the bass to make it sound much more interesting. For example. That's this one. I think it's better now. Let's listen to it. That's fire. That's really fire. I love that beat. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the Afrobeat mini stash. The link is in the description box. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.